Hello everyone, from Tony the Scargos. Today I want to unbox with you a special box that I got at home because I have to make some experiments with the Vive and the Vive Cosmos. So I got a special box from HTC and I want to open it with you. So discover the content with me. So let's open this secret package that I just received and let's see what kind of gifts and special things are inside here. So if I don't kill myself with the scissors, probably I can find some interesting things inside, and I can't wait to see them. So voila. And so here we have a Vive bag, and then okay, and then these two things, and these are Vive trackers. So finally I will be able to play with 2.0 Vive trackers. So there is this cool bag actually. So let's open one Vive tracker. I'm quite curious to see how they are, and honestly I always wanted to play with them. So thanks HTC for this little gift. And let me find a way to open. Okay, I need the scissors again. So let's hope I don't kill myself this time. And well, so very simple unboxing. So this is how a Vive tracker V2 is done. So here are the pogo pins, here the mount, and Vive HTC made in Taiwan. Okay, so there is something else. So let's remove this part. Okay. So here there is user guide. So how to use the Vive tracker in all languages. Let me check if there is Italian. Yes. Great. The warranty. So the classical booklet that no one reads. Safety regulatory guide. Amazing, useless. So and then here, let's see what we have. It looks like the USB dongle. Okay. Let's see. Here you are, the USB dongle. Not bad. And here you are cable to connect something with the USB micro. So here you can connect the tracker, I guess, to charge it, because here we have, I don't know what it is. I thought it was a charger actually. So a USB port, a micro cable. I have no idea. Actually, I think we can look in the user guide how it works. So the cable is used to charge them, and for the spinning wheel, so you can use it for the Vive Cosmos to make the promotional video. So using the dongle. If you're using two controllers along with the Vive tracker, you need to connect the dongle to enable hardware tracking. So yeah, it is made to use the dongle together with the controllers, and you can use it in this way. So this is all the content of the box. It is empty. I don't also open this one because the unboxing will be identical. So just let me put all the family here of the content of the box. I mean the real content are also this pamphlet that are super useless. I hope you like this unboxing video, and if it is the case, please like my channel.